This is how you fix your iPhone not responding to touch. In other words, you put your finger on it and you move it around, you touch things and nothing happens. As you can see, that's not the case for my phone, but I have had this happen in the past, and this is the fix that worked for me, and hopefully it also works for you. All you do is reboot the phone. You do that by pressing volume up, volume down, and the power button or action button on the side. The good news is you don't have to touch the screen of the phone to do this. So the fact that the touch doesn't work doesn't matter because you can still reboot the phone. So let's press volume up and then volume down and then hold the power button. You gotta do them pretty quickly in order and just keep holding the power button. Keep holding, the screen's gonna go black in just a second. We did not swipe the power off as you saw, but keep holding until the Apple logo appears. There it is. Now the phone has reboot and it's restarting, and in a few seconds our lock screen will appear, and then you can unlock it, hopefully. If it's responding to touch again, you can unlock it, and that should have done it. If that didn't do it, try it again. Do another forced reboot. If it didn't do it, try it again. If it didn't do it, plug it into your computer as you do a forced reboot. And if that still didn't do it, then you probably got to find an Apple store to see if they can help you fix it. But hopefully the reboot does it for you. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. After you get the touch back on your iPhone, you can continue using it. You're going to want to clear up some space. This video right here helps you do that. So check it out, and I'll see you there.